Welcome to Tech It Simple, the world of tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching Telegram Series Part 1. In this video, I will be showing you how to open a Telegram account. For that, you need to download the Telegram application from the Play Store or any other app store. This is the official Telegram application. Once you download it, open the application. This interface will appear when you first open the Telegram application. To create a new account on Telegram, tap on the Start Messaging button. It says, "Please allow Telegram to receive calls." By clicking on Continue, it will confirm your phone number. Click on the first box and select your country code. Here, also enter your phone number and then click on this blue arrow. Click on Yes to continue. It will take some time. A verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Enter the verification code and tap on Done. Next, enter your name and provide your profile picture. After you are done, click on this blue arrow. That's it. You have successfully created a Telegram account. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.